is finished if you're still alive. No, it isn't. Hello and good evening, people of Barangay Casile. Standing in front of you is a 28-year-old young sinner all the way from the city of Cabuyao, Laguna. By the way, my name is Crystal Ann Melendres, and I am proud to say that I am your Miss Gayla Laguna 2013 title holder. And I am your Binibining KL Pinoy 2014 third runner-up, won and held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. But for tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, ang babaeng minsan niyo na pong hinawag at binansagang basya sa pelikulang One More Chance. At ang babaeng nagbigkas ng mga katadang, bakit ako? Bakit parang kasalanan ko? Opo, ako nga po ang nagpatibo noon sa puso ni Mr. Dominic Roque, ang nag-iisang basya, Miss Bea Alonso. Bea Alonso na nagsasabing mahirap magpakababae kung hindi ka tunay na babae. Mahirap magpakalalaki kung hindi ka tunay na lalaki. Pero mas mahirap po ang magpakatao. Tulad ko, tulad namin mga LGBTQ member, kung hindi niyo po kami ituturing tao dito sa ating mundo ginagalawan. Maraming salamat po.